going on YouTube? Boy DS Dan back again with another one for you guys, man. We got the Air Jordan 5 Manieres on deck. I am about to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. We got a nice Jordan 5 right here, Maniere. Everyone knows they came out with the Jordan 3 Manieres. They came out with the 12s. They came out with the 1s. They came out with a couple of them, man. And I must say, some of them was a hit and some was a miss. But these right here, they're pretty good. You know, they're pretty good. Kind of reminds me of what they did with the off-white 5s. But all around, it's some nice little features on here. I'm going to show you guys everything so you guys can decide if you want to pick these up or not. As you can see, take a look at that box. You got a nice burgundy box. You got the A for Maniere all on the box. All right. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway is black, burgundy, crushed black. Inside the box, of course, you got your cover with the Maniere. Very nice. And you got paper inside the box. You know, you got that vintage yellowing on the outsole. Got your Nike. You got the A right there in the back. Now, the whole shoe just got a nubuck. Got a nice nubuck. Not no ashy nubuck. It's a nice, solid nubuck. I must say it's pretty dope. All right. Front of the toe, you got your nubuck, like I said. Comes with 3 sets of laces. You got your sail laces, white laces, black laces on the shoe. Now, this lace lock is vintage look, you know, got your Nike on there. On the tongue, we do got the black Jumpman stitched in with the 3M tongue. I'll show you guys a picture of that right now. You got your netting under the laces. Take a look, you got your 23. I like that a lot, that's nice. And the 23 is actually in there. It's not like embossed or stitched in. You got your Maniere on the air bubble unit, which is clear. Black midsole with your burgundy shark teeth. An A on the netting right here. So it's translucent. I must say it's pretty dope. So you do not have the bubble for the ankle support or whatever they were trying to do before. You know what I'm saying? You do not have that bubble there. All right. When you get to the back of the shoe, got that famous Nike Air in the back, all blacked out. That looks very nice in my opinion. Give you guys a close up. Look at that bow. Behind the tongue, you got your Michael Jordan right there on this side. You got your Maniere on this side. What's also cool is inside, you got that Nike Air in there. That Nike Air is actually stitched in. It's stitched in, guys. Really good quality on this shoe. They did a good job, I must say. Sock liner in black, inner sole in black with that white Nike Air. And that is basically it for the Air Jordan 5 Maniere. As for sizing, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe to the channel. I love you all, man. Let's get into this on feet. I'm gone.